Meet the Ninja Air Fryer, a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. It ensures even circulation of hot air around your food for quick, crispy, and golden finishes every time. The secret is the combination of a wide temperature range while powering the fan that automatically adjusts speeds for your temperature setting. This allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries using little to no oil in a family-sized 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. The wide temperature range gives you the ability to roast, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack. With a Ninja Air Fryer on your countertop, you can pull crispy meals out of thin air.
Memory foam mattresses by Zinus arrive at your doorstep compressed in a box. Our innovative packaging and design make the experience of buying a new mattress simple and convenient. Here's how our memory foam mattress goes from a box to a comfortable premium memory foam mattress in just 4 easy steps, taking only a few minutes. Before opening your mattress, bring the mattress to the bedroom and remove the mattress from the box. Carefully peel away the outer wrapping, making sure you don't cut into the clear plastic. Then lay it on your box spring or platform bed. Unroll the compressed mattress and cut one side of the clear plastic wrapper and watch as the mattress begins to decompress. Pull away the clear plastic wrapper. We recommend allowing your new mattress 24 to 48 hours to fully expand to its original size, although sleeping on the mattress will not affect the recovery process. Our mattresses are designed to help you discover a better, more comfortable sleep. Customers say our mattresses are comparable to mattresses costing 4 times as much and provide a restorative sleep experience night after night. Foam use in our mattresses is CertaPure US certified, tested by an independent laboratory to meet specific criteria for physical performance, indoor emissions, and environmental stewardship. Discover better sleep with Zinus.
Are you guys ready? Are you ready to make it easy to prep your food with these 6 beautifully crafted, durable, lightweight, easy to handle, and affordable stainless steel mixing bowls by FineDine? Hi, I'm Joey Perez and welcome to my kitchen. Like me, you'll love these stainless steel, polished mirror finish nesting mixing bowls that come in easy to estimate 3/4, 1.5, 3, 4, 5, and 8 graduating size cords. The bowl set allows you, the cook, to be well equipped for serving and mixing salads, preparing your breakfast with all the perfect touches, marinating for the grill, and mixing all those delicious ingredients to end your meals with a perfect dessert. Premium quality stainless steel bowls with commercial grade metal that can be used as both mixing bowls and serving bowls. These metal bowls won't stain or absorb odors and resist rust for years of durability. An easy to grip rounded lip on the stainless steel bowl set makes handling easier, while a generous wide rim allows contents to flow evenly when pouring. The beautifully designed flat base stabilizes the silver bowls, making mixing all the easier. What I love about these stainless mixing bowls is the space-saving stackable design that helps declutter kitchen cupboards, while the attractive polished mirror finish on the larger mixing bowls adds a luxurious aesthetic look. This incredible stainless steel mixing bowl set from FineDine is refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher safe for quick and easy meal prep and cleanup. Best of all, they make a great gift set that anyone would love. What are you waiting for? Get yours today.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Think you know everything you can make with a KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer? Think again. Imagine being able to easily prepare homemade pasta, ultimate burgers with fresh ground ingredients, even homemade Rocky Road ice cream. With over 12 available attachments, the Artisan stand mixer's remarkable versatility will ignite creativity in your kitchen. Your KitchenAid stand mixer comes with all the essentials: a flat beater to thoroughly mix ingredients for cookies, cakes, and more, the dough hook that mixes and kneads dough with ease, the wire whip for infusing air. The attachment hub allows you to transform your KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer into an astonishing new appliance with a huge variety of attachments: the powerful food grinder, the pasta roller and cutter set, and the gourmet pasta press, the rotor slicer and shredder, or homemade ice cream maker. Choose the color that suits your style: onyx black, empire red, silver metallic, green apple, aqua sky, persimmon, cobalt blue, buttercup, and cranberry. Make the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer the culinary center of your kitchen.